V8 Spectrum frame, 2011. I got the Shadow voltage bars, 2.25 rise. I got the audio long neck grips and the stolen Vortex bar ends. I got stock V8 forks. I got an Alienation Deviant front rim laced with Primo 14 gauge spokes, laced to a Primo N4 FL hub. I got the Shadow Revenger chainwheel, 25 tooth. I got the stolen shackle chain. I got the Madeira Protocol cranks. I got Colonial Fantastic PC pedals. And then my back, I got Odyssey 7KA rim laced with Primo 14 gauge spokes, laced to a Primo Mini SS cassette hub. And I got a duo seat and a duo seat post.
Show them how loud it is.
Huh?
Show them how loud that is.
And then here's the hub check. And that's my bike check.